Wanted to give a small update of things today. First one is one of the most important, I think. It's a new blower motor resistor for the BMW because since I've bought it, it hasn't worked. The only settings that actually work are off, and when you put it on speed 4, but it just makes like this really nasty clunking sound. And I've read up on a lot that a lot of the problem is these blower motor resistors. If not, it's the blower motor, which shouldn't be a big deal either. Second one is going to be the rear card deletes for the rear in the E30. Ooh, didn't see this the first time. Condor's stepping it up. But yeah, there's two here. They're just taped together. So they're pretty thin, if you can see that a little bit. But yeah, there's two there for the rear. And then like you guys probably saw in my car, I actually have the front black door cards. Man, this looks really scratched up. That's just how plastic is. I'm gonna end up repainting these or wrapping them some crazy color, but that'll be a whole separate video, I think. So I just found out when I was trying to put these away, this is actually the rear of it, because when I opened it up, you can kind of see it peeking there, but it's like that textured plastic material, which is actually really dope looking. So I might not repaint these or redo them. That's kind of sick, actually. Let's see if I can get it better. It's a little better. And in all honesty, the piece I'm most hyped for is this guy here. The MTech 2 lower valance for the bumper. I think what I could find, the only imperfections on this thing is right there. Other than that, everything is solid as shit. I do want to have it repainted to match the Alpine, but other than that, this is going to be pretty solid, and I am super stoked on this. The rear is completely untouched. But yeah, list of things. This, the door cards, the blower motor resistor. Still got to put this guy in. It's just been too rainy and absolutely miserable outside. So Byung's on his way over now. I think we're gonna go eat first, because I haven't eaten all day, and I'm not sure if he has or not, but I know he's pretty hungry. He's on his way now, and then I think we're gonna try to install the blower motor resistor. It really shouldn't be too bad, just have to remove that front cowl off the front, and we will probably end up test fitting the front bumper just to make sure it works. Not really test fitting it, but kind of holding it over to make sure it's gonna line up for the most part. I still have to figure something out about painting that or getting it painted or whatever. I wanted to paint match as close as possible, so I don't want to do it myself. I might take it somewhere cheap-ish, just because, I mean, it's just the front. It's without a doubt gonna get messed up a little bit through like rocks and like driving and stuff like that, but you know, I also don't want to spend $600 on a bumper that's gonna get eaten up by the road, if that makes any sense. Oh, actually, we might do the front door cards as well, the black ones. I don't know about the rears, only because we might not have time with how light it is, or I guess how dark it is outside. It's 4 o'clock now, and lately it's been getting pretty dark at, I want to say 4:45 maybe, like right before 5. It's slowed down a little bit, but it's getting dark very fast, and I don't think we'll have enough time to go to the hardware store, pick up like rivets, and you know, put the rears on. I know they're pre-drilled already, but there's no hardware. So we'll end up getting the fronts in for sure, and I guess the rears will wait for a different video. Little Asian man at work. Alright, so I think we have to take this off for that bracket, and then same thing on the other side. And then it should be a nut here. And then one more over on the other side. And then that should be it. And then we should be able to get to the panel to get to the resistor.
Do you want it done? You good?
It's okay. This might be oversized, but that should just be hand tight, I think. Nope, I lied. Mine it is.
At least the oil filter's shiny.
Yeah. It's brand new. I think I did the oil change maybe like, I don't know, 500 miles ago. Oh man. Because I took this car to the gym yesterday. And like, it stays foggy unless you have the heat on 4, which is like full blast. And the thing that sucks with that is it only works on 4 because the resistor is messed up. So it just makes loud like grinding sounds.
Right.
And that is no good. So these are Phillips head actually. I don't know how easy it's going to be to get that other one. Me and Bo have been trying to do a video for a while now together. But like the weather's been so bad that it's really hard to do anything. That comes off. Shouldn't come off. So fun fact, this is zip tied into this little harness, but this is the air line for that bag. I thought there were 4 bolts, but maybe it's just the 2 up top.
Looks like, I see an 8 here. Looks like an 8. Do we have to take that out?
Yeah, it's gonna be that one, this one, and I thought there were 2 more. Maybe it's just 8. You say 8, I'm gonna say 7. 7 it is. You say bullshit?
Yeah. You're just forcing it.
Oh yeah. Smaller size. One bad thing about like working in the automotive field too is you keep all your tools at work.
Yep.
So like my impact's there.
Yep.
All my screwdrivers are there. Everything's there.
I really wanted to get AC fixed because like when it rains it fogs out my car.
Oh really?
So I want to use the AC to, you know, get the fogs out.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes I have to trade the car with my wife. So
Oh,
I
really?
want her to like, yeah, because sometimes
The
I have to
Evo?
take her, no.
Oh.
Sometimes I have to take her a court to get some work done.
Yeah.
And she needs to drive to work, so she would drive my Accord and I would take her Accord.
Honestly, depending on this angle, this one might not be going back in.
Good rate reduction.
That's what I'm saying. 1 bolt, like a fraction of a pound. So this fucker had to come out of here. But as you can see, we only have this much room because everything else is zip tied there, and I don't have any zip ties on hand. And the plan is to get this in tonight. I mean, it's pretty dark already, but all we have to do now is pull the resistor out and then put the new one in and figure something out with this, because fuck that. Alright, so this is the one that came out. As you can see, it's super fucking rusted, and that bottom coil is kind of way out of whack compared to this new one, a lot cleaner. So put this back in and then make sure all fan speeds work and we should be alright. Alright guys, here's the real moment of truth to see if this thing even worked. That put up a fight in the last little bit, to be honest. But let's see. Hands are too cold to grab my keys, Jesus. Okay. So, that's a solid nope. Only works on 4. There's 1, 2, 3. So 3 and 4 work. So that didn't work out quite the way I wanted it to. It might either be a blower motor There's a possible chance I didn't push the resistor in all the way for some reason. Sorry, I'm a little tired. It's been a long day. Just got back from doing a little bit of Christmas shopping and then getting back from eating food with Byung. He just went home. It's a little frustrating considering I bought the new part to fix it. Speeds 3 and 4 work, so I don't know. Must be a connection, or it is what it is. I'll figure it out. We'll fix it. We'll have some more installs ready next. Hopefully before then, like the door cards will be done for sure. The bumper, hopefully painted as long as I can find a painter for relatively cheap. But just wanted to wrap that up. A little disappointed, but it's okay. Something else to fix, I guess. I'll see you guys in the next one.